নিচে দেখে ফেলেছি আমার বন্ধুরা সবসময় তিনটে ছবি নেয় পর পর Okay. Right. So, I am Rini. I am the younger sister of the bride, and I will be your MC this evening. Acha, so Sangeet isn't technically part of a Bengali wedding, but because of the married couple's fondness for music and Bollywood, I'm guessing, we're doing this. So, just a couple pointers to keep in mind while we start. What we want you all to do as an audience is kind of help us judge how this thing is going to go about. So before every performance, we want you to have a very critical set of mind, and at the end of the evening, we want to know who you think dance best. Now, this is girls versus boys. This is the married ones versus the not married ones. This is old people versus young people, everything. So, okay, the older people and the younger people, since it's relative. So the first song is going to be performed by the boys. So let us know what you think. Alright, take it away. Dini's been doing Bharatanatyam since I think 6 or 7, I'm not sure. She's done it for 10 years. She did the Arangetram, which is like this passing ceremony, and she knows she's got her whole thing on that. So, she's now going to do a performance of 2 songs. One is on a breathless by Shankar Mahadevan. And after that's done, she will be dancing to a traditional, first she's doing the traditional Rabindra Sangeet, and after that she'll be doing the Mahadevan song, sorry. So, alright, as soon as we got the audio done, then you may come up on stage. And also, remember to contrast the previous performance with this one, right? Okay? Alright.
অমৃত সদনে চলো যাই, চলো 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 ভাই, আজি শুভ দিনে পিতার ভবনে, অমৃত সদনে চলো যাই, চলো 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 ভাই, চলো 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 ভাই, আজি শুভ দিনে পিতার ভবনে, অমৃত সদনে চলো যাই।
जैसे मेरी सारी दुनिया में गीतों की रुत और रंगों की बरखा है, खुशबू की आंधी है, महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं है, बहकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं है, खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं है, बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं है, जागी उमंगे है, धड़क रहा है दिल, सांसों में तूफान है, होठों पे नगमे है, आंखों में सपने है, सपनों में बीते हुए सारे वो लम्हे हैं। जब कोई आया था नजरों पे छाया था, दिल में समाया था, कैसे मैं बताऊं तुम्हें कैसा उसे पाया था, प्यार से चेहरे पे बिखरी जो जुल्फे, तो ऐसा लगता था जैसे कोहरे के पीछे एक ओस में धुला हुआ फूल खिला है, जैसे बादल में एक चांद छुपा है और झांक रहा है, जैसे रात के पर्दे में एक सवेरा है, रोशन रोशन आंखों में सपनों का सागर, जिसमें प्रेम सितारों की चादर जैसे झलक रही है, लहरों लहरों बात करे तो जैसे मोती बरसे, जैसे कहीं चांदी की पायल गूंजे, जैसे कहीं शीशे के जाम गिरे और छन से टूटे, जैसे कोई छिप के सितार बजाए, जैसे कोई चांदनी रात में गाए, जैसे कोई हौले से पास बुलाए। कैसी मीठी बातें थी वो, कैसी मुलाकातें थी वो, जब मैंने जाना था नजरों से कैसे पिघल गए दिल और आरज़ू पानी है, कैसे मंजिल और कैसे उतरता है चांद जमीन पर, कैसे कभी लगता है स्वर्ग अगर है तो बस मैं यहीं।
The loving family. I wasn't me. Okay, alright. Anyway, just to remind you, that was authentic Bharatanatyam, right? Even though the song was contemporary, this is stuff that she learned after like rigorous years of Bharatanatyam class every weekend. And I know this because I dropped out of the class because I don't have the tenacity for this kind of stuff. But she does. So, just a second. Song with the girls. Again, keep, critical mind. But remember what I said about contrasting stuff with the previous performance? Don't do that anymore. Yeah. So, as soon as we get the audio ready, about to go.
श्री गणेश देवा 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 श्री गणेश
श्री गणेश देवा 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 श्री गणेश तेरी भक्ति तो वरदान है, जो कमाए वो धनवान है, बिन किनारे की कश्ती है वो देवा तुझसे जो अनजान है। यूं तो मूषक सवारी तेरी, सब पे है पहरेदारी तेरी, पाप की आंधियां लाख हो, कभी ज्योति ना हारी तेरी। अपनी तकदीर का वो खुद सिकंदर हुआ रे, भूल के ये जहां रे, किसी ने यहाँ रे साथ पाया तेरा। हे देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
I said about not contrasting previous performances with the one that just took place. And I'll give you a valid reason this time, right? Because they were professionals, which technically Didi is also. So yeah, so basically whenever Didi dances, don't compare. Unless the boys go before her or after her, then you can do it. And also when these professionals come about, it's just to elevate the standard of our performances. Okay, so our next performance is by, no, wait, hold on for a second. Because we're going to wait for Didi to come back. She's just gone to change. She'll be back in a minute or two. So the next performance, I'll just tell you what it is. It's actually a very personal one. It's Didi and Ma's roommate, Yao Yao. Right there, everyone, Yao Yao. Okay, so she's going to be singing us a song in Chinese. And I'll wait for Didi to come before I give a translation of what it means and what the message of the song is. But just giving you a heads up of what's coming up. Alright. I'm going to read out a translation of what this song means, the one that Yao Yao is singing. Right. My love for you is very deep, strong emotions in my heart I keep. You are wondering if my feelings are true, doubt me not, my love. Inspiration from the moon I drew. My love for you is very deep, strong emotions in my heart I keep. You want to be sure my passion for you is true, doubt me not, my love. Inspiration from the moon I drew. A tender kiss from you and I was in heaven. I may write a song to our love or a ballad even. Our love is alive, don't you so think? It's the nectar that I live to drink. Okay, just kudos for Yao Yao for making it rhyme in English as well, right? That's brilliant. Clap for everyone. You got applause before you even got on the stage. That's +1. Okay, also,